Last Tuesday, my laptop died during a client presentation because I didn't realize the charging cable had slipped off my desk for the third time that week. Embarrassing? Absolutely. But it made me realize something important. We're surrounded by small, annoying problems that we've just accepted as normal. The coffee that goes cold, the phone that dies right when you need directions, the cable that always falls behind the furniture. Here's the thing though, for almost every one of these problems, there's already a solution. Not some overpriced smart home system or complicated tech, just clever, affordable gadgets that actually work. I've spent the last month testing 19 of them, and I'm keeping 14. Today, I'm walking you through the ones that genuinely surprised me, including one at the end that I honestly can't believe I lived without. If you're tired of dealing with the same daily frustrations, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly which problems are worth solving and which gadgets actually deliver. So hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep. And trust me, you'll want to save this one. Let's start with the category nobody thinks about until it's too late. Ortoland Cleaning Kit. Your laptop keyboard probably has more bacteria than your toilet seat. I know. Disgusting, right? But here's what bothers me more. Most of us just wipe our screens with whatever shirt we're wearing and call it a day. The Ortoland Cleaning Kit changed how I think about tech maintenance. This isn't just another microfiber cloth situation. We're talking about a complete system. Specialized brushes that get into keyboard crevices without damaging anything, a spray formula that won't strip screen coatings, and tools designed specifically for earbuds and camera lenses. I used this on my 2-year-old laptop last week, and honestly, it looked brand new afterward. The satisfying part? Watching all that hidden gunk actually come out. Your devices will not only look better, but they'll perform better too because dust buildup actually affects ventilation and performance. Digital tape measure. Now, if you've ever done any kind of home improvement project, you know the frustration. Measure something, walk away, immediately forget the number, and have to measure again. It's the worst. This digital tape measure eliminates that completely. The measurement shows up on a built-in screen the moment you extend the tape. But here's the genius part. It stores up to 20 measurements in memory. So you can measure your entire room, and all those numbers are just sitting there waiting for you. It switches between metric and imperial with one button, and because it's rechargeable, you're not constantly buying batteries. For anyone who builds, renovates, or even just hangs pictures, this turns a frustrating task into something actually efficient. Star Patrol Mega Bright Spotlight. Let's talk about actual emergency preparedness for a second, because most of us are not prepared. Your phone flashlight works great until you actually need serious light, and then you realize it's basically useless. The Star Patrol Mega Bright Spotlight is legitimately impressive. I'm talking about lighting that reaches 8 football fields in turbo mode. Now, I tested this camping last weekend, and the difference between this and a regular flashlight is night and day, literally. It has 2 beam modes, spot for distance and flood for wide coverage. There's a hands-free kickstand for when you need both hands free, and it's rechargeable. The emergency feature I really appreciate? It can charge your phone if needed. For camping, power outages, or just walking the dog at night, having real light when you need it matters more than people think. PT199 gas leak detector. This one falls into the category of, I hope I never need it, but I'm glad I have it. Gas leaks are genuinely dangerous. And the scary part is you can smell gas, but have no idea where it's coming from. The PT199 gas leak detector takes the guesswork out completely. Turn it on, scan around your appliances and connections, and it beeps the moment it senses gas. The closer you get to the source, the louder and faster the beeping becomes. It's incredibly intuitive. Pocket-sized, battery-powered, and ready to use in seconds. I check my stove connections monthly now, which I never did before. It's one of those tools you hope you never truly need, but it provides genuine peace of mind. Endoscope camera. Have you ever dropped something in a place your eyes just cannot reach? Behind a wall, down a drain, under your car engine? Normally that thing is just gone, or you're tearing apart furniture to find it. This dual-lens endoscope camera is surprisingly useful. It connects to your phone and gives you both a front view and a side view in real time. The cable is 10 feet long and completely flexible, so it can navigate through pipes, walls, or tight engine compartments. Bright LEDs light up whatever you're looking at, and it's even waterproof. I used mine to find where a cable had fallen inside my wall before drilling, and it saved me from making a very expensive mistake. For DIY projects, home inspections, or just retrieving lost items, being able to see the unseeable is incredibly valuable. Mactar Minimax SSD. Running out of storage mid-project is one of the most frustrating experiences in modern life. You're filming or working on something important, and suddenly you're deleting old files just to keep going. The Mactar Minimax SSD solves this in the most elegant way possible. This tiny portable drive connects directly to your phone or laptop and transfers files incredibly fast. We're talking massive photo libraries, 4K video footage, and game files without lag. What impressed me most is the real-time transfer stats displayed right on the device itself. You can actually see how fast things are moving and how much space you have left. It's portable enough to keep in your pocket, so your storage expands wherever you go. For content creators, photographers, or anyone who works with large files, this means never having to choose what to delete ever again. Plod Note AI Recorder. Missing one detail in a meeting can completely derail a project. I learned this the hard way when I relied on my terrible handwriting and missed a critical deadline. The Plod Note AI Recorder is honestly incredible. Press record and it captures crystal clear audio, but that's just the beginning. The AI transcribes everything and then creates a summary of the key points. Meetings, lectures, interviews, phone calls, it handles them all. It supports 112 languages, fits in your pocket, and records for hours on a single charge. Instead of frantically taking notes and missing half the conversation, you're actually present and engaged. Later, you get a searchable transcript and an AI-generated summary of what actually mattered. For students, professionals, or anyone in meetings, this transforms how you capture and process information. CyberDock 3-in-1 Charger. Your desk probably looks like mine used to. Cables everywhere, multiple charging blocks, and a general sense of chaos. The CyberDock fixes this with style. This is a car-inspired wireless charging station that handles 3 devices simultaneously. Your phone magnetically snaps into place with MagSafe, while your watch and AirPods charge on dedicated spots. It even rotates and has ambient lighting that makes it look genuinely cool. One dock, everything organized, and your desk suddenly looks professional instead of like a charging station exploded on it. Momax 6-in-1 travel adapter. Landing in a foreign country and realizing none of your plugs fit is a special kind of panic. Dead phone, dead laptop, and your entire trip is immediately harder than it needs to be. The Momax 6-in-1 travel adapter works in over 200 countries. One adapter that eliminates all plug compatibility issues forever. 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 AC outlet. 70 watts of fast charging all at once. The GaN technology keeps it surprisingly small and cool despite all that power. One plug, every device, every country. I keep this in my travel bag permanently now, and it's saved me multiple times. Bamboo charging station. If your desk looks like a war zone of tangled cables and scattered devices, this bamboo charging station brings order to chaos. Charge your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously from one clean, organized spot. The cables hide inside the station itself, so everything looks intentional and designed instead of accidental. Your devices stay ready, your desk stays clean, and the bamboo aesthetic actually looks good instead of like tech clutter. Baseus retractable cable. Charging cables are either tangled nightmares or annoyingly short, and we've all just accepted this. The Baseus retractable USB-C cable challenges that acceptance. Pull it out to the length you need, and it locks. Done charging? It retracts cleanly back into itself with no knots or clutter. It delivers 100 watts of fast charging, so it works for phones, tablets, and even laptops. Ultralight, travel-ready, and USB-C to USB-C. One cable that finally respects your space and your time. Joyroom magnetic cable. Clips that charging cable that constantly falls off your desk, the one you're always fishing for behind furniture. These magnetic cable clips stop that problem completely. Stick them wherever you charge: desk, nightstand, car dashboard, wall. Then snap your cable in with one hand. The magnet holds it securely until you need it, then releases smoothly. No residue, no damage, just cables that stay where you put them. 6 clips give you total control over cable chaos, and suddenly your space looks intentional instead of messy. GodDocs MA5 RGB LED light. If you create any kind of video content, you already know that lighting makes or breaks the shot. Phone videos with bad lighting look amateurish no matter how good your camera is. The Goddox MA5R pocket light is magnetic, so it attaches hands-free to your phone or any metal surface. Front light for professional shots, backlight for clean selfies. Full RGB spectrum with 14 cinematic effects means you can match any mood or aesthetic. The battery lasts for hours of shooting, and in an emergency, it can even charge your phone. Small light, massive upgrade to your content quality. Coffee mug, warmer with wireless charging. You make coffee? Get distracted for 5 minutes, and it's cold every single day. The coffee mug warmer keeps every sip at your preferred temperature with 3 different heat levels. But here's the smart integration. It wirelessly charges your phone while you work, so your coffee stays hot and your phone stays charged from one compact device. The soft LED glow prevents you from knocking your cup over in the dark. Hot coffee, charged phone, clean desk. It's one of those small quality-of-life upgrades that you notice every single day. Glacent book light. Reading in bed is great until the light situation ruins everything. Too bright and you can't sleep, too dim and you strain your eyes, too much light and you wake up your partner. The Glacent book light solves all of this. 26 LEDs create a wide, shadow-free beam across your pages. 5 color tones from warm amber to daylight, all fully dimmable. It clips on, bends to any angle you need, and lasts up to 90 hours on one charge. No eye strain, no disturbances, just comfortable reading whenever you want. OX2 Mini Car Vacuum. Your car gets dirty fast with crumbs, dust, and pet hair accumulating in places regular vacuums can't reach. The OX2 Mini Car Vacuum is cordless, weighs just 1 pound, and delivers 14,000 pascal of genuine suction power. Seats, floor mats, tight corners, clean in seconds. But it's not just a vacuum. It blows, inflates, and pumps too. USB-C charging with up to 30 minutes of runtime. Small device, significant cleaning power. Aeroset's Couch Companion. The couch is where we relax, but it's also where drinks get knocked over and phones slip between cushions. Aeroset combines everything you need in one couch-side device. Wireless charging pad, Bluetooth speaker, ambient lighting, and secure drink holder. All in one elegant design. Your phone charges, your music plays, your drink stays secure. Couch life genuinely upgraded. So remember that one gadget I mentioned at the beginning? The one that changed everything after my embarrassing laptop incident? It's those Joy Room magnetic cable clips. Sounds simple, maybe even boring, but they eliminated a problem I didn't realize was costing me productivity and sanity every single day. That's the thing about really good gadgets. They don't have to be flashy or expensive. They just have to solve a real problem elegantly. Every single product I showed you today is linked in the description below. These aren't just random recommendations. These are tested, vetted, and genuinely useful solutions to everyday frustrations. If this video helped you discover something that'll make your life easier, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to. We're building a community of people who refuse to accept unnecessary frustration when better solutions exist. Drop a comment and tell me which gadget you're most excited about. Or better yet, tell me what daily problem you wish had a solution. I read every comment, and your suggestions shape future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we're diving into gadgets that are almost too good to believe. You won't want to miss it.